Underground mines present a unique set of challenges. They are GPS denied, have poor network coverage, low visibility, and are among the most complex and dynamic environments to operate in. LoopX addresses these challenges with an innovative solution that combines infrared cameras, 3D LiDAR, and other sensors with edge computing and proprietary SLAM software. Our system can be deployed directly on mobile equipment, such as light-duty vehicles, as demonstrated in this video. With this solution, your mobile equipment becomes more than just a transportation tool, it becomes a dynamic surveyor. The system can map drifts in near real time, allowing mine engineers to track progress and immediately identify gaps between design and reality. It ensures that the right equipment is at the right location at the right time, driving excellent safety and productivity performance.